Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Kaur and welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. Today I am going to create a new playlist for web scraping. In this playlist, you will see so many tutorials regarding various sources which are used to extract the content from the web sources, from the news sources. This is like a web scraping. In this web scraping playlist, I'm going to include some automation testing tools as well, for example, Selenium Playwright or Jira. And in today's video, I'm going to cover one topic that is Selenium. What is Selenium actually? Why to learn Selenium and how to use Selenium, where to use Selenium, and what are the advantages, disadvantages, everything. Means almost all kinds of questions, all the conceptual questions we will cover. We will cover the theory as well as we will cover the practical code demonstration as well. So, what is Selenium? It is like an automation tool, browser automation tool. For example, if you build an application and you need to do manual testing, if you build a chatbot, AI chatbot, for example, and whenever you add new features, you have to run the test cases. Let's say there are 100 test cases. This is less, but I'm taking example as 100 test cases. And you need to test all the test cases whenever you change a slight change in your source code. So for AI application, the testing requirements are very high. It is not like only Selenium tool you use and your testing will be automated. There might be PyTest, Jira, Selenium, Postman, and if there are AI features into your application, then to test that AI features, you need to use Langsmith, observability tools, and all, so that you will check the AI response, speed, cost, duration, everything. Means multiple tools you will require. It depends on your size of your application. So let's take an example. You are building a simple application, and it is just like filling the form and checking whether the application is working fine or not. This is manual task, like you open the browser, you type your website name, your application ID, whatever AWS IP address you have, public IP address, you write it down, then hit enter, then click on some particular button, checking whether the button is working or not, then filling the forms, then clicking on submit, then new page is opening or not. You are checking everything manually. You might have hired a manual tester for that, right? But what if you want to automate this test case? Because every time you made slight changes in your code, you need to run entire test cases. It is not like you build a 11th feature and you are testing that 11th feature. This is not like that. You have to run all the test cases because there might be a thing like you are doing changes in your 11th feature and your third feature is not working. So you have to run all the test cases. So how will you run all the test cases automatically without having a need of manual tester? Means how you can save a lot of time and a lot of money in that. So for that we use Selenium, and Selenium, what Selenium can do, Selenium can open a Chrome browser itself. Means I will show you practically how it opens the browser. I will show you my hands as well, so you can see without touching keyboard and mouse, the Selenium automatically opens the browser. It opens that particular website. It types the text into that text box of that particular website. It clicks the button. It selects the drop down. It upload. It can upload file. It can download file. It can scroll the pages. It can take screenshot. It can read the page data. It can extract the textual or numerical or whatever information in that page. It can log into website. It can fill the forms. It can run the automated test. So all things are done. I'm going to show you a practical demo. For example, you are building an application which is scraping the data of Wikipedia. Okay, how to scrap the Wikipedia data automatically without opening browser, without manual intervention. I will show you. I will show you the code as well. So here is the source code actually, and very low source code means 34 lines, and there are spaces like less than 30 lines of code. I will explain you Selenium from basics. So this is important. Requirement.txt. I have created this virtual environment, cell env, and you can see Streamlit. Our framework is Streamlit. We have to install Selenium. We have to install this WebDriver-manager. Now comes to this part. You are importing all whatever you have installed in your pip package. Okay. So WebDriver, what WebDriver actually do? It launches the browser, Chrome browser. It shut down the browser as well. Not only Chrome browser, you can launch any browser like Mozilla or Microsoft Edge. Then you are importing this by. What this by do? So it is helpful to extract that particular entity from your HTML source code. For example, your website is HTML and there are IDs, there are classes, names, objects, titles, subtitle. So you can see here the use of by.id. So from that HTML source code, wherever the ID is present, that will be extracted. Okay. Then Chrome driver manager, we are importing this Chrome driver manager from Chrome. So it means it will launch the Chrome browser. Streamlit as HT, we are using Streamlit everywhere. Now this is the name of our application website, Wikipedia Selenium. Okay. Now we are creating a topic variable. We are creating a variable name topic, and the name of this topic is means it is a text box. And in the text box, you have to write down anything, and this variable means this whatever the text you are typing, this will go to here. You can see topic here is present here. It will go into the driver. So we are launching the Chrome browser driver, and in that browser, this will be your website. Means this will be your URL bar, and slash topic will be there. Means whatever you are typing into the text box, it will go here. Dot replace. Then again means this is the method of a string. Means if there are spaces present, then it will convert to it will replace to underscore. Now you are extracting the paragraphs from that Wikipedia page, and for using for loop, you are extracting top five paragraphs, and after that, driver dot quit. This is important. Means you are closing your web browser. Okay. Now I will show you. Means first of all, I have to run this application. Ringlet run app.py, hit enter. So this browser will open. You can see here. Why this Python programming language word come here? Because we have placed these words here into our topic variable, into our text input text box. Python programming language. Okay. Now I will type anything like, for example, Infosys word. Okay, and I will click on open. So you can see it is running. So you can see my hands are open. I will again reload it for simplicity. Okay, you can see automatically the things are working. I will type any other name like TCS, and my hands are open. I just click on open, and Selenium will automatically open the Chrome browser. You can see I didn't touch anything, and it opens the Chrome browser, and it extract the things. Sometimes it fails. So I will just type Infosys over here, and click on open. It will run. You can see the browser opens, did something, and extract all the information present on that page. Okay. So this is heading Infosys, Infosys Limited, and government website. A lot of data is there. So we will now manually go to Wikipedia site. We open the browser, we click the name, then we open this Wikipedia. Here we type Infosys and hit enter. You can see this is the actual Wikipedia page, and here you can see Infosys Limited is an Indian multilingual technology company. Infosys Limited is an Indian multinational technology company, and big six IT companies, then co-founders. Then here you can see 145 rupees per share. Here you can see 145 rupees per share. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 paragraphs it has extracted successfully. Now look into this URL n.wikipedia.org/wiki/infosys. Here you can see n.wikipedia.org wiki slash instead of Infosys, the topic is present here. You can see the topic is present here. And into the topics, we have put Infosys word, where here you can see Infosys word, Infosys word. In that topic variable, we have put Infosys word. That's why here you can see the Infosys word is present. So this is how this web searching takes place. So that's it means you can extract text, you can extract images, you can extract whatever you want, and most importantly, not only extraction but also the browser automation is done with the help of Selenium. So that's the practical demo of Selenium. Now I will tell you some of the advantages and some of the limitations of Selenium. Advantages are it is free, open source, and it supports multiple browser, not only Chrome browser but also Firefox, Edge, or your iOS, Safari. It works with many programming language, Python, Java, JavaScript, and can almost automate any browser interaction. It is excellent for end-to-end UI testing, manual testing. You can say large community and extensive documentation is present over there. And most importantly, if you are working with DevOps, then you know the Jenkins. So you can integrate this with Jenkins and GitHub Actions as well. You can connect your Selenium automation to the Jenkins. So your CI/CD pipeline will be completed, automatic testing will be completed. But limitations of Selenium are what, like you cannot extract information from any kind of websites. For example, there are confidential data. There are means a lot of websites they do anti-web scraping rules like LinkedIn. You cannot extract all the email, phone number, any kind of contact details from LinkedIn after some time. After after getting reached to certain limit because of the anti-web scraping rules. It requires handling dynamic content, it waits browser capability, and it is slower than the direct HTTP based scraping because it renders a full browser. Means I'm saying it is slower than Beautiful Soup. These are the limitations. And it uses more CPU, more memory than libraries like Request and Beautiful Soup. So many more use cases when you are choosing a job profile like automated testing, then learning Selenium is very important. This is a crash course you can see where you see the practically how Selenium works. Means after watching this video, it's not like if someone say use Selenium for this work and you don't know Selenium, then you will be like, oh, what is Selenium? You will be like, okay, it's fine. Selenium means it is a browser automation tool. That's it. So that's it up to today's video. Tomorrow I will give you another lecture, like for example, a beautiful soup. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If you like my video, my efforts, then please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye.